World Strong Rubber Company Limited was founded in 2007, passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, and IATF 16949. Devoted to the research and manufacture of precision-molded silicone LSR rubber, plastic, and die cutting parts. Factory include 9 sets CNC machines, 2 sets high-speed CNC machine, 4 EPDM machines, 3 sets milling machines, 58 sets silicone rubber compression machines from 50 tons to 400 tons, 15 sets rubber injection machines, 11 sets LSR injection machine with 10,000 grade dust-free workshop, and 3 sets special custom L wire harness counter machines. The maximum mold size we can make is 1, 2 meter by 0.75 meter. WSR has own lab room and can make rubber formula as customer special requirements and mixed rubber material by automatic rubber mixing system. Main material we use are silicone, VMQ, LSR, FVMQ NR, NBR, HNBR, CR, SBR, EPDM, FKM, PU, FFKM, AEM, ACM, ECO. Digital applications we used are ERP, WMS, and MES system. Our main line is EV, automotive, medical, industrial, household appliance, electric accessory, and so on. Quality is our life. The strict quality control process and testing method and CCD full automatic inspection allow us to be the core supplier of TE, Amphenol, Busbar, Tongmao, Luxshare, GM, BYD, Foxconn, Flextronics, and Emerson. Look forward to be your reliable partner for rubber parts.